Okay, hello guys and welcome to the 5th day I think on my trading 100 day challenge. Today I can show you the trade I would have taken if I were on. I did not take anything. Before I logged onto the charts I locked myself out, so I wouldn't take anything because it's known as Monday, which is not beneficial for my strategy. This is a trade I could have taken. I watched this in real time. I entered around here and then it went up, took my take profit, but yeah, I didn't take it. So I'm going to backtest a bit and then see my results and share what I've been doing recently as well. I just need to change this. So yeah, I'm watching from, what day is this? Friday with NFP Friday, so I could trade this. No, wait, it's like this. Okay, not Monday. Okay, Tuesday. I would trade Tuesday. On the weekly, we're heading up. I would just target longs every day, I think, or like from the whole day. So from 8 to 9:30 is a 30-minute window for me, and 9:30 to 9:45. I want to see what we do during that time, if something like beneficial happens in price, because I start trading from 9:45. Yeah, like this. Okay, 1 minute accumulation during here. We manipulated up. Failed, maybe some hard time from imbalance, yeah, and then started going down again. This one is this one. Okay, so we have a bullish S&T with ES and NQ. I want to see what we do now. Yeah, both went down. Could be looking for longs here, or yeah, because I don't want NQ to sweep out that low then, because now we have some stacked PDRAs to the left, which I could take my trade from. Wait, I just need to check one thing. Wait. Now I'm back. So yeah, I want to look for longs, but I need some more context on longs. Maybe an inverse PDRA or something like that could make me want to go long. So yeah, I want to see how we treat. Yeah, if we could make a SIBI now and inverse that SIBI, because now we have a bullish S&T as well. Okay, so this looks good. I want to enter long from this inverse. So like this, target this. So yes, I got tapped in. Now I'm reducing stop loss to here, and targets for me is kind of aligns with the -1 standard deviation, I think. No, not really, but I won't be greedy because this is the OT of the range. But wait, oh yeah, I'm going to target this. This looks good for me. Yes, so first trade is a full take profit trade. I just want to see where we're going as well in this trade. If we could have targeted something like maybe -1 on the standard deviation, would have gotten hit. This would have gotten hit as well. Maybe this one up there. But yeah, but still for me a good trade. Continuing to PM session. S&T, bearish S&T. I don't know if that will hold. We might draw for these highs. Might want to look for a continuation play, because it's not macro yet, but I might look for continuation play up there, deciding on how we like how price goes before the macro. Okay, yeah, I'm looking for continuation play. We have failed this 5-minute imbalance, so I'm looking for longs up there. Okay, so let's see if I can get some kind of an entry here. Yeah, when this candle closes, I want to enter from the already took the high, might draw liquidity. I can still look for longs though, because I know that the bias is still up. Want to just it's not really good price action, but I can still take something here. If we sweep out those lows, exactly, maybe inverse something and create my order block. Yeah, this is too late into the macro for me. I'm going to the next day. What do we have today? CPI. I could still trade this, deciding on how it looks. Maybe what CPI does. And okay, CPI pumped. I think we're going to draw towards data low, so I might be looking for trades to the data low here. Yeah, there. Okay, so let's see. I don't really know yet. Might react from this PXH here. I don't not really know, but I am not seeing anything that's really clear for me yet. If we react well from this PXH here, I might take longs. No. Okay. Yeah, I might take longs from this if we can tap back into the 50% of it. Also SMT at lows. Let's see if we can get a tap back into it. Yeah, I might get a kind of late entry here, but I'm still going to take it. Yeah, that's good. I'm going to target here because it's a kind of high probability with CPI, and we could easily draw for that much. But I will trade my stop loss very quickly also as well. Stopped out. Okay, wait. No way. Oh, well, stopped out. Okay, so I'm continuing to PM session. I'm still gonna look for longs because we have this low resistance built up here. SMT with the lows. There, I'm looking for longs. 14, yeah. Lots of news at 14. Might want to enter to look to enter after that or just before. Let's see. I want to get a good entry, so, and I want this SMT to hold. Okay, could find my entry somewhere here. Equal highs. Where did we close on this candle? Yeah, this is not a valid order block yet. Okay, I'm going to enter here. target these highs and put break even when we take these highs, because this is really clear drawn liquidity trade for me. I think we're going to draw up towards the equal highs, but I want to close before. No, wait, I got stopped out. Let's continue and see. Oh yeah, kind of poor execution for me then. Should have waited for more manipulation. But we took those highs. I want to see what we're doing when the Fed thing is. Yeah, we dropped. I'm just honestly going to skip this day because I don't know what will happen. 830 PPI, this could be good. PPIs usually have probability for me. At 9:30 I'll begin looking. Okay, well, something like this. I think I am going to look for shorts. High time frames as bearish, SMT with the highs and lots of lower resistance liquidity. I'm looking for shorts. I want to see some kind of manipulation first. We already got manipulation upside, but if that would be the manipulation, I want to see some more downward purchase quick. Otherwise, I think we're going to manipulate that again. Yeah, this is what I wanted. Clear displacement down. I think we were entering somewhere around there. I'm going to put my limit around here. You see, could have gotten an entry at this order block. Targeted this low. It's easy to say after, but yeah. I'm going to target these lows. I'm going to have this on 1 minute, so I could get a better entry if we just decide to not go up there. Okay, yeah, now I'm entering. Like this. Yes, perfect entry. I'm going to stop the take. Wait, I'm actually going to target this data low instead, because I think we're going to draw towards that. Stop loss to break even when we take these lows. Stop loss to break even now. Did we get an SMT? Yeah, we got an SMT. I didn't really look for that. We had an SMT before. Yeah, let's see what happens. I could get stopped out here. I want to put my stop loss just above that high there. Yeah, break even. Really good trade for me. Should have maybe reduced risk or took off some contracts here when we got an SMT again, but yeah, it's easy to say afterwards. I'm still going to look for trades, I think, because we still have like the low resistance left. I'm going to look for shorts down to there if we can inverse something here. Also SMT with the highs. Yeah, perfect. I'm going to look for an entry around 50% of the inverse fair value gap. Put my stop loss just above there and target down here. Okay, I missed my entry bit. I'm still going short here. Reducing risk to above there. I'll continue. Yeah, really clear draw liquidity for me. It was an easy read. Up here I just got manipulated by this. We created an SMT, inverse this 1 minute busy, took my entry here. Really good. Continuing to the next day. I'm going to do two more back tests, then I will stop for today, because I don't want my brain to get fried from all the backtesting. and I usually get like almost married to the bias, but not really. Yeah, you get me. Sometimes my brain just like gets fed up with all the backtesting, and I start getting bad results just from that. Now we have at 10 o'clock we have PMI or something, Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. This is a good day. It's Friday. Wait, I'm waiting for what 10 a.m. will do. Around that. So let's see what 10 a.m. does, if it manipulates or so. I'm still looking for longs. Okay, manipulation down at 10 a.m. Looking for longs now. We have tapped this one and this one, so I'm still looking for longs. I want to see something more of it. Maybe another manipulation, exactly an inverse on that one, or an order block. And SMT now with the lows. This looks good. Okay, I missed my entry here. My entry would have been here, but I'm waiting for a deeper trace, maybe an entry on. Yeah. Okay, do we get an order block? No, not yet. What about now? Yeah, order block created. I'm entering from there. It's 14 seconds outside of the macro, but it would still be permissible for me to take this because we have SMT, higher time frame PDRAs and everything. So I will still take this if I can get an entry. Might not. No, it ran without me. Sometimes things like that happens, but it's okay. Next day again, because I don't want to trade a Monday. I get like no, Tuesday. Wait, it's still Sunday. No, wait, I'm tripping. Okay, so no, it's Tuesday. This is good. Wait, where's price? Okay, it started to print now. Wait, I don't know what's up with this. I'm still looking for something right now. What do we have? Retail sales. This could be good. Put in 1 minute actually. See what happens around 9:30, 9:45 ish. Okay. What do we have here? Equal highs. Might be looking for longs because we have SMT at the lows now as well. I'm looking for longs. Could have gotten an entry there, but I think we're going to manipulate. Yeah, exactly. One more time. Now we're inside our 15-minute busy. See, reaction with SMT as well. Okay, I'm entering when we tap back into that one. Okay, just right here. Targeting this high because I don't want to be greedy on a day with this price action. I'm in. Yeah, stopped out. Let's see what more we get, if we get something more even. Okay. ES and NQ are very uncorrelated. SMT with the highs might look for something down. Yeah. Okay, wait. If we don't take that low and we go up again, Okay guys, so I've now ended the day backtesting. I backtested on a new session, 17 trades, 55.56% win rate, average 2.75 RR. I have every trade documented here. It's the one with hashtags. So yeah, 5 wins, 4 losses, 4 break-evens. I'm starting to get a little more info on my back tests and everything. As you can see, performance by day. Yeah, I've only taken trades, no trades on Mondays. Yeah, maybe. And 1 break-even on Wednesday and 2 break-evens on Friday. So Tuesdays and Thursdays are my highest performing days so far, but only 17 trades, so it's hard to say. But yeah, yeah, this was a bad day, low probability day. So yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys in day 6, which is tomorrow. Goodbye.